Hello. It is Saturday morning, the 14th of some month, July. And here we are. This is it right here. This is the Kramer Farrington guitar that I picked up for a little bit of money. It's electric, acoustic. When I first plugged it in, it didn't work. I noticed that it had a battery in it. This is a new battery. The old battery is right here. So I actually swiped this battery out of my Ibanez bass. This battery, as you can maybe see, has a little bit of a little yeah, there you go. It's got a little bit of corrosion on it, so it's definitely dead. I wasn't about to tongue test this one with the corrosion on it. This one I know works, obviously. Came out of my Delio there. But today we're testing electronics, and the reason I'm inviting you to this gig is because there's a little trick to testing pickups and such that works really good and is not intrusive. Now, this isn't a pickup in the normal sense. For all you metalheads out there, you probably know, if you've been playing guitar for a little while, what this is. It's I can't remember what the technical term for it is, but there's a little dealio right underneath the bridge. Turn up the volume and see if we got anything. Hopefully the battery was the problem. It's not doing anything because it has nothing to do anything with. And clearly I've taken the strings off already, so I can't test with the strings, but I could put battery in with the strings on it. Also, if you've watched my video on tapping on it like that, but that's by right, it should be. There it goes. So we have ignition. If you can hear that, that's not just coming out of the guitar, it's coming out of the amp. Okay, here we are for the bridge setup on this pickup. Delio here, the passive transducer. You can see that there's a little lead right there, and that is somewhat of a copper or something strip in there. And on the actual saddles on the bottom looks like a piece of circuit board for whatever reason. I don't know all the technology behind this particular type of pickup, but I took those out to clean up inside of the bridge, the saddle slot there, so that it would make a better contact. Now these things, should you have a Farrington, you do not want to lose them because they are not available. Farrington is no longer in production. Kramer is no longer in business. So this is a piece of tape. They're set out in the order that they go in the bridge there, and the sticky side is up on that piece that's down the center, so that they obviously, you can see, they won't fall off of there or get lost. Oops. I guess I'm in the process of relicking this thing too, but anyway, there it is. There's the bridge situation. I'm going to clean it up, and I'm in the process of doing some fret work on it too, just to clean them up, dress them up a little bit, clean up the fretboard. I'm not going to do it too much because I want to keep it relic-y. It's not a guitar that I'm really planning on doing a whole bunch of playing on. It's just something that I will probably put on the market. So I'm going to clean everything up, just get all the dust off it, make it a nice playable guitar, and then probably sell it, I'm sure. Or if no one wants to buy it, then I'll keep it until someone does want to buy it. Anyway, that's it for this particular guitar. I want to show you how the tuning fork comes in handy for checking other types of pickups as well, where you don't have to take a screwdriver and beat the crap out of them just to see if they work if you don't have strings on them. Anyway, that's it for that. See you in a moment with the I'll probably use the blue Yamaha to demonstrate checking pickups and switches and such. Alrighty, see you in a second. Okay, here we are. Here's your what you think of when you talk about pickups. Crank this back up. You can see the pickups work on that, so it's supposed to do. Straighten the switch, something dirty, be cleaned up. So by rights, that should be just this pickup. No way to really tell unless you beat on it with some bam bam bam. Like I see some people do, but tuning fork, that one works. Oh. Works, isn't on. None of those are on. Now this, I believe, should be. Yeah, it's the two. Again. I wonder if that one's not working. That one's still on. Let's see. This should be just the middle pickup. Yeah, it works. And that one shouldn't be. And those shouldn't be. Okay. That should be, I believe, the middle. Maybe not. Is supposed to work, but the main point is that you can use a tuning fork, especially if you don't have strings on it, and even if you do, if you want to test the pickups individually to see if they are all working and the switch is working properly. I'm not sure what the configuration is supposed to be on this particular guitar. I know that this, but here we're supposed to make it a single coil, but not sure whether it's out or in or what. So I need more information to finish testing this one, but I'm sure it's fine. Just needs a little clean up in the switch, although it sounds like it's cleaned up by itself, and sometimes they do. This thing hasn't been touched for a long time, so just sitting in a case, just rotting away, but we're going to put it to use. So that's it for this video. That's what I keep this tuning fork for, so I don't have to use a screwdriver or something to tap on the individual pickups and take a chance on damaging them. And this tells me if the tonality, the tone is horrible. It tells me if the tone switches work properly. This is a little crackly still. So anyway, yeah. So that's a bump. So anyway, there it is. Tuning fork. Use a tuning fork for your pickup needs.